I'm Reprops, and today I'm making Deadpool's mask from any Marvel comic. I started off by cutting a piece of red fabric to the width of my head, and then I glued it together to make a sleeve that will fit over my head. I fitted it over my head, and then I tied a string around it to figure out where to cut it. I cut it until there was about an inch left, and then I glued all of the remaining pieces of fabric together to make a little wad like Deadpool has on the top of his head. And then I made the eyes out of some cardboard and leather, cutting the general shape out of cardboard and then cutting the eyes and folding it in. I cut eye holes out of the sock, and then I glued some translucent white plastic over the eyes so that you won't be able to see your eyes through it. And then I glued the black eye part on using a liberal amount of hot glue so that they don't fall off. You want to hold it in place for a little bit so that it sits level on your face and is not wonky and offsides. I cut a slit on the back and glued in some Velcro strips, and then I glued in some of the flaps so that it fits better on my face. Overall, I like how this turned out. It fits pretty good, and yeah. If you want to see more of my videos, be sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.